Yeah.
I'm going to use a manual whisk instead, but this is going to take a while. Room temperature solid butter didn't work. Oh my goodness, we're starting off to a stressful, start. But anyways, so I melted the butter and then brought it down to room temperature. This was actually kind of what Doobydobap did, but when I saw the instruction said room temperature, I thought she meant like solid. But maybe it is like this, but I just don't have those really strong mixers, so I have to make it easier for myself. It's not necessarily completely smooth, but I mean, they said it's fluffy. It's fluffy, yeah. Isn't it fluffy? What do you guys think? Is this what they mean by fluffy? Is this fluffy? Okay. And we're going to do this again. It's the nuttiness and like roastiness of the sesame, of the tahini. It's really nice. Doobydobap didn't do this, but I did have some sesame seeds, and why not? So I added it. This is 1/8 cup.
Have you ever tried making something, but it went completely wrong? Me.
Just look at that. That looks beautiful. I'm so happy I did not mess this one up. If you remember my raspberry cookie event,